Time now approximately 2:12 p.m. November 8th.
Hi.
Come on in. Yeah.
Hold on.
Let me make a police report against my ex-wife. A couple of weeks ago I was talking to an officer, but I didn't have the documentation. He was going into the quick trip over on West and Maple. I think he was a sergeant.
Sorry.
The report's going to be involving my ex-wife.
Okay.
Where back in 2007, case number JC704, she allowed a guy to touch my daughter. SRS at that time didn't believe because she was 2.5 years old. Earlier this year, my ex-wife got on her Facebook page and, where'd it go? Right there. Said, I've been in a situation before by a sick gump and I sure as hell don't want to let another incident happen with my kids, okay? Because she was fighting with this dude on her boyfriend, fiance's page. The thing is, this ain't gonna be it. I think it's the other one. Nobody's done anything about it, okay? And I've just about had enough with her using her little friends, Shelby White, Ashley Shacker, and Candace Lee, around me, period.
Okay.
And that the police department is actually in, protecting. Nobody cares. I mean, I even got a CCI, child custody investigation in it. They actually did it, conducted it, and it says I lose my daughter to a child predator, pretty much, to me. I mean, it doesn't say that exactly, but what am I saying here? Gotta touch my daughter. Let's see what that one is. I think that's the one, because I sent it to the news also, email. But still nothing's going to be gotten done yet. But he told me I could make another report. It's my evidence. I thought I had the paperwork, like those pictures there, earlier this year when I was able to be on Facebook, but I'm not because of judge order. It's on here. It's one of these videos, and I think it's this one. Pretty positive it's this one. That's my email to CNN News.
Okay. Where's this? Can you show me the paperwork that you made back in 2007?
I just had it. Well, I didn't actually make it, but that's SRS. The allegation stated that there was a complaint of sexual abuse. I don't remember which officer from Patrol South took it back then, but they actually took it from my daughter, the statement. Come on, you piece of shit. What's the deal there?
What's your name, sir?
Taro Pinkston.
How do you spell it?
T-A-O-R-O. Pinkston, P-I-N-K-S-T-O-N. But he told me to make a report, and I've been trying to find my paperwork. I guess I can.
Let me go look on the computer here and see what kind of cases there are.
I don't think there's any.
Well, from 2007 you said that you talked to somebody, right?
SRS, because they were involved.
Well, if there's an allegation of sexual abuse, you'll make a police report too. I'm going to go take a look.
Okay. I'll see if I can get this on this YouTube page.
Okay.
Where's my pot holder? The author's name is A. Howard. Right now he's outside looking about the police report, possibly back in 2007. Hammy! Are they playing? Oh. Ignored this because the last weekend I've been all legal work. I got a complaint right. Great. I suppose I mixed them all up. She is to get my daughter. Now, how is a court going to give somebody, my child, that allowed a guy to touch my daughter, and then right when the CCI was going on, states it on Facebook? This was earlier this year, sir. Waiting on the carpet, a new tile. I painted it. Oh yeah, feels good. Got paperwork struck out for my. I just don't understand how the court's going to give my daughter to a child molester. Here he comes, back from his car. I found it. Let's see.
Here.
Which way is it gonna
I
go?
don't know what.
That's my ex-wife. I've been in a situation before by a sick dump, and I don't need to let. Can't see it. And I sure as hell don't need to be a friend with someone who gets off at looking at pics of my kids.
Okay.
She blocked him and not going to delete him.
Okay. There was a case number made in 2007.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is in reference to that case.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay.
Yes, that's what he said. Just kind of make a report or something
There's,
about it.
There's not really a report that I'm going to make a new one. What I'm going to tell you is EMCU, which is not SR, it's the police department side of it. You need to talk with EMCU because they're the ones that have already looked into the case. Okay. So if you have new evidence, call this number down here and just kind of explain
What's
this case
going
from
on.
2007. You know, at the time, you know, I found some other information here I want to add to the case and talk with them, and then maybe they can tell you also what happened, if anything, with that.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
Okay.
Just make a report. They can't. I don't understand how in the CCI child custody investigation that they did back in March was conducted and done where they want to give her custody.
I don't know.
I don't understand it, and I even gave them a picture of that.
Okay.
That's the crazy thing of it.
I mean, I don't know. I don't know what kind of who was that DC, was that DCF or SRS or whatever they did? Was that who did the investigation? Who did?
What?
No. This thing here you said.
The CCI courts, District 1.
Oh, the court.
Or the family jury room people, the ones that do the restraining order crap.
Okay.
Then I want to make an addition